Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways that you can generate an income online. So the question is, how do we become an affiliate marketer? Well, I'm going to answer that question right after this. So if we're meeting for the very first time, my name is Jason Neelam, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs learn the necessary skills to create an income online. My channel is called Harsh Reality Check for a reason. I don't have a bunch of hype and a bunch of fluff in my videos. I like to keep it simple, straight to the point. So with that being said, let's dive right into this topic, which is how to become an affiliate marketer. Now there's many different ways that you can become an affiliate marketer. It really comes down to what company you're planning on representing or what products you're planning on marketing. Because all of them have a little bit of a different system than one or the other. But you can really kind of break it down into basically three different categories. And the first one that I want to talk about is the approval process. So what do I mean by an approval process? Well, it varies from one company to the next, and it definitely varies from one product to the next. So basically it comes down to a form that you have to fill out. And usually within that form, you have to enter your personal information, where you're from, what's your background, that kind of stuff. You might also have to enter your website URL and probably even like maybe your YouTube channel or maybe your Facebook profile. I mean, basically what they want to know is they want to get some information about you. They want to see how you plan on promoting their products or their business. And they want to make sure that you have plenty of traffic that's coming to those websites or that YouTube channel or whatever it is that you're marketing with, and make sure that you have a big enough audience. Now, not only do they want to see that you actually have an audience that you can promote to, but they want to check out the content that you're providing. So is your content related to their product in a professional manner? Because there's a lot of crap out there. Let's face it, guys. People misuse the internet on a regular basis. They have a tendency to bash people's stuff. Or they misrepresent things. Okay, so these companies, they want to protect their image that they have worked so hard to create. They want to protect the image of their products. So they're going to definitely check out your content, make sure that you're actually presenting their information and their products in a professional manner. So keep that in mind. If your company that you're planning on representing does require an approval process, you might have to get a bunch of stuff set up beforehand in order to even get approved. So keep that in mind if that's kind of the system that your particular company is requiring. So another way to become an affiliate marketer, well, another word for it is a distributor. You've probably heard this, I'm sure, many times before. You hear it a lot in the MLMs type of stuff. When you can become a distributor of a certain product. Now again, when you become a distributor of a product, sure, you don't have to go through an approval process, but you have to fork out some money. You have to basically pay for like a distributor membership fee. Again, this is going to vary from one type of company to another. Okay, so there's a lot of different variables to consider, but the basic idea is you pay a chunk of cash, you become a distributor. Now, a distributor is basically just another word for affiliate marketer, right? Because all a distributor does is that person presents a product, tries to sell that product, and then collects a commission. Because ultimately that's what an affiliate marketer does, right? So on these particular programs, the thing that you want to be aware of is some of them are going to require you to have your own inventory. So you buy these products, you keep them in your home or wherever, and then as you sell them for a marked up price. You keep the difference from what you paid, and then there's the commission that you make. So that's another route that a person can take to become an affiliate marketer, so to speak. Me personally, I'm not really big on the MLM type of stuff. I kind of do things a little bit more on the digital side and more on the direct sales type of stuff. But it is another way that you can become an affiliate marketer, is by joining some kind of an MLM type business. So the third way that I want to talk about how to become an affiliate marketer is, well, we've pretty much seen it all over the internet. I'm sure you're no different than me. Uh, it's really see it in the make money from home business, right? You see it all the time. It's like, okay, buy my program. We're going to teach you how to sell stuff, and you can even sell this program yourself and collect a commission. So, and this is usually just a digital product that they're selling, right? So when you buy this digital product, you can then become an affiliate of that product, and then when you sell that product to other people, of course you make your commission. So this is a very, very common type of affiliate marketing that you see all over. It's not always just in the make money from home type niche, but you see it in a lot of other areas as well. So like I said, there's a lot of different ways that you can become an affiliate marketer. You can go through an approval process, or you can buy into like an MLM type business, or you can just buy a marketing product yourself and then try to market that product to other people. So there's a lot of different ways that you can ultimately become an affiliate marketer. But so ultimately it really comes down to, what product are you wanting to promote? What company are you going to want to represent? And you're going to want to do some research before you just jump on any kind of bandwagon. We like to call it the shiny ball syndrome. It's like, oh, this looks good, let's go over here. Oh, let's go over here. Yeah, I mean, you start bouncing around from one to the other, and then ultimately you're going to get nothing done. So do your research before you commit to any specific product. Make sure that it's a product that you can stand behind, that you believe in. Especially if you're passionate about it. You want to be passionate about what you're selling, because if you try to sell anything that you don't believe in, people are going to see that. They're going to feel that from you, and they're going to think you're just full of crap, and they're going to just, you're not going to have any success. You need to be passionate about what you do, because there's going to be hard work. Becoming an affiliate marketer is not an easy way to make money. There is no easy way to make money, and if anybody ever tells you that, they're lying to you. It's going to require work. It's going to require creating and fine-tuning a set of skills that you're going to need to use in order to be able to promote and market these certain products, whatever that product may be, so that you can create a commission. So even though it's pretty easy to become an affiliate marketer for the most part, I also want you to understand that there's a lot of hard work that's going to be involved in becoming a successful affiliate marketer. There is skills that you're going to have to learn. So let's just briefly talk about some of the skills that you need to understand in order to create a successful affiliate marketing business. The first one that I want to talk about is content. See, content is king, my friend. Content is where you provide valuable information to your audience. You want to be able to engage with your audience and help them solve a problem through your content, okay? Copywriting is the next skill you're going to need to understand. Now, sure, you might hear the word copywriting and think, oh wow, okay, I got to be able to write an article. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Copywriting in our industry is a way that you effectively communicate with your audience, whether it be in text, whether it be in words on a video, or whether it be in images. It doesn't matter. The copywriting is basically how you communicate effectively to your audience. Okay. Now, as you're building the skills of content and copywriting, because they kind of go hand in hand, you also need to have a sales funnel, an effective sales funnel in place that you can drive all of your traffic to. And of course, that brings up another skill that you're going to have. You're going to have to understand how to fill your sales funnel so that way you get as many eyeballs on your offer as possible, so that you can make even more money with the more sales that you make. And then of course, as people are going through your sales funnel, you need to understand the follow-up process. A very effective follow-up process is really where the money's at. If you follow up effectively with all of your leads, that's where you can make your fortune. Now, as you start creating all this newfound income, you're also going to want to learn how to manage these newfound finances. So if you're curious about learning a little bit more in-depth information about these skills that I just went over, I actually put together a video that I call Affiliates Training Resource Video. And if you want to check that out, absolutely free. The link for that is right below this particular video. You can click on that and feel free to check that out. So here's the harsh reality to becoming an affiliate marketer. Even though it may be fairly easy to actually get started as an affiliate marketer, there's going to be a lot of hard work involved into becoming a successful affiliate marketer. So make sure you do your due diligence and research whatever company or product you plan on promoting, and make sure that you're passionate about it. Make sure it's something that you can stand behind, and make sure that it's something that you can be proud of, okay? This is going to make your journey a lot easier. With all that being said, if you wouldn't mind, I would also like to hear what type of product you're planning on promoting, or what company you're planning on representing. If you wouldn't mind throwing that in the comment section, I would love to hear exactly what route you are planning on taking. So that pretty much wraps it up for me, guys. If you like this video, please feel free to hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notification when I put out my next video. Outside of that, I always ask for some honest feedback. Please give me thumbs up, thumbs down. Either way, some honest feedback is greatly appreciated. On that note, enjoy the rest of your day, my friends, and we'll see you in the next video.